Niba ekene mono. Maazị Aflugo. Mụ na mmeli gbabula azụ nọ na studio tata, Voice of the East studio. Ebe a chọrọ nkwu maka afa. Afa bụ a very strong part of Igbo culture, Igbo ontology, the practice of our spirituality. Ejo ase, n'olu ndị iti, divinity, divination, not divinity, divination, the verb afa. So, m ga-ajụ gị, kedu ife bụ afa?
For me, afa is also another technology. It's a spiritual technology that gives us access to the one mind, to that ofu, mmụọ, Chukwu okike abịama. That technology that is also a library. That technology that is also the book. The book of things that has happened and things that is happening and the possible things that can happen. That is Afa.
Quite a definition. Imana any definition or opinions we have about something like Afa, it may be met with criticism.
Yes.
It may be met with antagonism. Mana, in my own opinion, if Afa bobo, like you said, access, Afabo, the key that opens up a portal of information, knowledge,
Yes.
you know, SY knowledge, present knowledge, and possible future knowledge. So, drawing parallel lines against Afa and technology, in the 21st century, how can Afa stand? Because I have a friend, an acquaintance who is Dibia. Obiogwage na if Afa bobo spiritual lab.
Yes.
N'ijenu na ọgwụ ịgba card emege lab nene mana nke afa bụ ịbịa ejua kedu. So with this knowledge as backdrop, how do you think that Afa can be an exported technology?
So all of our technologies can be exported. The challenge, I would say, what our people are used to doing is providing a single point for every single person, right? And again, because our people mostly have not really seen the importance of harnessing that power of Afa. Just like you said, it's a lab. It's also the access to what has been and what is and possible things that can be, right? Then that means it is actually the reason in Africa or in Igbo land we don't have much written things. We don't have things written down. Because basically in every family you are supposed to have somebody na Agba Afa. In every family you are supposed to have somebody na Agba Afa. And you are supposed to have people that see beyond the ordinary. And there are different ways of knowing, right? So you have the divine knowledge, the one that you just know. Then you have the revelation, the one that you are just shown, right? And then you have this Afa, the one that you divine, divination. Afa is actually one of the main ways for us to learn, for us to know. Basically, everything we are doing, every technology that we've talked about, it is through Afa. And it depends on what you are capable of doing. It depends on, Ima, on the computer language. It's not that you learned this language that is a guarantee that you use it to do something. If you don't know how to solve a problem, you don't know how to solve a problem. The same Igbo, eji wee mụ gị ị na-asụ. Ị gaghị eji nwe onwe onye ihe eji nwe wee dozi nwa okwu, mana o nwere onye ga-eji nwe wee dozi nwa okwu because ọ maka esi ekwu okwu. O nwere onye ga-abụ ọbịa na-ekwu okwu etu a, o bụ adị ndị mmadụ ụtọ. But all the same language, but people apply it differently. And just a two o si bụrụ somebody bụ a comedian. Ofu okwu anyị na-ekwu ka ọ na-ekwukwa, but ka o si ekwu nke ya dị iche. And the problem ọ na-aim to solve dị iche. Ọ na-eme a na-akwụ ya ụgwọ, na-akpụ ya na show. A na-akwụ ya nnukwu ụgwọ. Ọ na-anara ego na-eti n'akpa. But ofu okwu a, ịnụchakwa the comedy pụkwa akwụkwa the thing, is not the same thing. That is how Afa is. And that is how we can also look at it in terms of exporting. Afa. It is what you are capable of achieving with it. That's what will make people come to you. If, for instance, you are vast in the area of ways to asking questions about folding molecules, about different innovation, expanding different types of services, people will come to you for that. Amaru no odiafa Igbo la ya na afa sị na onye a na-agba odiafa ọ bụ na ịchọ ịgba odia na nke ba afa ori na nke ba afa this one nke ba afa. There are different areas of focus, that's areas of specialization, right? It depends on what you now decide to specialize in. There are people who ga agbalo ga afa gbapolo ga afa gwa ga afa onye zugori. There are also people that will just tell you no ezugori bụ onye ụmụnna ma na onye zugori bụ enyi gị, but they don't know, they don't get to details. That and the major problem that we actually have with that exporting of that alpha you talked about is patience. And I'm sure you have so many experiences with ndị na-agba afa and their impatience, right? The ability to cut off mmụọ na-ekwu okwu.
Sometimes
the sentient being.
Akpọ ya na phone, o pick a call, o pick a call, say, we're going behind you.
Exactly. You've cut off from that point.
Breach of communication.
Exactly. And many of them, they just know what they have in mind that they want to ask. And they're just bent on asking that. But mmụọ na-ekwu okwu nwere ebe ọ chọrọ ka o duru gị gaa first ka ị wee mụta ihe ọ chọrọ ka ị mụta wee na-chietakwa azụ agabakwa that direction. You are supposed to follow the mmụọ even if it seems like it's digressing. Because if you don't, you will not find out again that thing achọrọ ịgwa gị at that time. It is a major problem, that's patience. So if our people can also ndị na-agba afa, right? Every dibia ọbụla lụrụ ebe olu ya na-agba afa. It is ihe njirimara dibia. The idea na onye nke a ka onye agba afa, I don't really believe in it. We are connecting to the same source of knowledge, right? It is about understanding and perception. For me, being a system architect, being a technologist, afọ ọbụla na-agba is in the direction of how I will apply a particular thing in solving a particular problem. But onwe ya na-agba afọ na-agba is in a different direction. But then that alpha is the only way we can learn.
Before we export alpha, we have to discuss what alpha has also done to some families.
Yes. So many.
We have to talk about that.
And I know you are referring to the evil things.
Yes, the evil things, of course. Ijen and dibia sigi na magi ba amusu. Magi moge, chiagi, 9 months. Zogi zugide, nursery, primary, secondary, university. Eputa university. Ijebeze na nke dibia sigi na. Nwanya na-enye gị pocket money na-ata afọ. Non-nya BHG your progress. So how do you think we can use, or rather create another technology that can detect when dibia alpha na come milli?
So this has also been a very a very big challenge that I believe everybody is facing. If I think one of the things I kept him Guam is na dibia niile na-ata afụfụ. Onwere dibia adi ata afụfụ. And it is part of the ways eji eme na dibia tara. You pass through the if ndị ga-akọrọ gị, ndị ga-agwa gị, even if it is not against your family, right? They give you wrong direction, because that's the thing about looking into the future. It's like a branch of a tree with so many branches, right? They are all possibilities. Chuku of all possibilities. They are all possibilities. But the question is, which of the possibilities is going to be the reality, right? Onye for nonsense is seeing a possibility. Mobu no nwere ihe ofulu. That's mobu no nwere ihe ofulu. The person is seeing a possibility. But is that possibility a reality? Because enwe ike ifutaro gị na n'ihe dị etu a ga-emekwa na onye dị etu a ga-anwụ. Eme something agbachie the person enwe. The future is not foolproof, right? And then coming to what we can do, I believe that if many DBS, because ekele always only somebody bịara ụwa or somebody ka ga-abịa ụwa that already has the mandate to provide things like this. But only go no na joker. You got only go no na joker. So it is not an impossible thing to do, given the feats that we have also achieved. Right? It is about creating that interface. It is extremely possible. And when you create that interface between that energy source that you know will always give you the right answer, and you can now kind of create it as a service, turn it into a service model that people can query in, it will start to weed off some of these wrong ones. I would like to look into it.
Of course, prior to now, I hadn't thought about it, but I just saw Biam Nisi. Because one name and Ndi was in a whole EG, whole only family. Agent and care DBA, HR solution. Sometimes people come out with more
problems.
You know what I go? I go bolo. And all the problem, all one of the reservations somewhere make this renaissance. Because only open na believe here okugo red na aruaja omega nka ozo go dibia ndị mmadụ na-abịa bịa as onye ga-enyelu nwe aka mana onye ahụ ị na-ejekwuru kwesị nyelu gị aka o nwebedi ho na what on his own. So I need of course it will boil down to a technology, because among when afa police abro ibule egbe ekwule dibia nke ikwu adro makpa need something like a lie detector. Because lie detector ndo chalo bukwa technology, and that one look bereft of afa. So I think we neo DBS I like to use that expression, neo DBS, the onus is on us. Onye malu nke ọ na-eme obuno tech bu your forte. It try a way to incorporate the ancient practices to tech. Koya bu onwe anything like to ijobodo Igbo. At the end of the day, the intention is to export the gift you are giving. Christianity and our practice today with culture that was exported to us. I just so omambrono alo ma obulu njo na a part of America. A man and dabo no ordinary adherents, but obozi nke ina manzu mo ije na mmili ina kwa fanta.
It has to be through technology.
It has to be through technology. Because any other thing in Agwando Chana na bro technology abro you're playing. You
know, now when about some people na chongwa or na se kachukunye hanwa and na se ka enye hanwa ya bu doctor. Enye hanwa ya bu this one. But obo na ndi dibia, the ones the likes of us and the people that will come after us, right? Obo na ha ga focus on the technology and begin to scale it. We get to that point. Gabo, onye na-amụ nwa na-achọ ka ọ mụọ nwa, osi Chukwu biko nya nye nwa bụ dibia. Because after God is dibia.
Chukwu welucha oluo dibia.
Oluo dibia.
N'eziokwu. Nya mere eji kwuo na ọnụ nwa dibia bụ ọnụ Chukwu.
Ọnụ Chukwu na.
Mana ndị dibia nke ikpeazụ a ofu ọnụ ahụ.
Ụfọdụ many ndị dibia na-abachazi society.
All society.
Abacha society weruzie nsogbu wuo ụmụ mmadụ arụ.
Na cause yali problem.
Na cause problem up and down. But then speaking of ndị a na-aba society ka eje mee ha na-eme. You see, the problem is that they enter there hoping that when they get there, they will carry money and come out.
The inspiration is always money.
But they give you the same thing. Ose na-abọ, ọbara na-abọ, uzi, nke ọbụla is for you to see beyond the ordinary. But like I said, it's not the language that is the problem, it's what you do with the language. The gift you are given, how do you make? That's why it's mmadụ na-abọ ga-ejelie ya ofu onye amarụ ka o si ga na-eme na-akpata ego. Onye nke ọzọ ama mma ka ọ ga-esi wee na-eme na-akpata ego. Osikwa na nke ọgbaje na nke, osikwa na nke ọgbaje na nka. But if they can come and follow these things we are advising, and these things we are doing and rolling out, they will actually make money and provide services that will solve mainstream problems, which is why we're having this program.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Rick Richard. Very, 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 very refreshing conversation. On the Yagazi Elugi, Economy and Monchi Gozo.
Oh, no.
Ogazigo. Ndebai Ekene, Kodiga Afro.